Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum, which is a square pyramid in third angle. The axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, and it is cut by 30 degree as shown in the figure. We need to draw front view, sectional top view and sectional left hand side view. Side is 40 and length of axis is 75. So first we will draw XY and then we will draw square in top view. See this like this. We'll draw 30 degree and this is 30, so this line will be inclined at 60. That you should remember in case of square. I'll do naming ABCD OM. So first you draw square and then you project this down, axis height 75, and you mark all these points dash. Now we need to draw side view also, right? Sectional left and side view. So we'll take 45 degree from here. So left hand side will be on the left side. So I'm just taking the axis point. So I know height will be this much. O double dash, M double dash. Then D you extend, A you extend, C you extend and B you extend. So we'll get B, C, A and D. This all will be double dash because it's side view. Now which one will be dark? When you see from here, A is nearer to you. Remember in third angle, observer is in between. C is away, so that's why C is dotted. Same thing is applicable in front view also. See, observer is here on XY, so B is nearer to him, so that's why B is dark. Remember that. Now we'll see cut points. It is cutting over here, so this is PA dash. Extend straight up. Wherever it will cut, that is PA. This point is PB dash. Extend straight up. Wherever it will cut on OB, that is PB. PC, PD dash. Extend up. Wherever it will cut, that is PD. This is PC dash. Extend up. Wherever it will cut on OC, that is PC. Join this. So you'll get sectional top view. Then you take this line horizontal. Wherever it will cut on A double dash, that is PA double dash. Extend B wala line. So wherever it will cut on O double dash, B double dash, that is PB double dash. Same with PT double dash and PC double dash. So you'll get 4 points, join them. So that will be your sectional side view, sectional left hand side view. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.